So I put the stock 13 back on because this is geared a tad too high for my taste now since I put that smaller rear sprocket. And I'm going to put the 14 on here, replace the 13 stock, but I did order one more just so I'd have it, and we'll see what this is like with the geared up one tooth in the front. Let's take the 300 Cruiser out, go to Harbor Freight. I want to pick up one of those bags for the back here. I know people are going to say do some saddle bags, which I could do. Got to get that little exoskeleton. I don't know, it just seems so bulky. I literally rather have a tail bag and a tank bag. Them saddle bags, unless they're soft, like some of the soft ones are okay, but them hard ones, my God, you take up so much room. I know you're this wide already. I don't know. Haven't made a complete decision yet. But for now, I'm just going to do my little tool bag like I do on all of them. Works out good. Folds up real nice and compact. It's actually nice enough outside today that I don't think I'll need a jacket. Find out in a minute. The sun is nice. I'm only running a Harbor Freight, so I won't be going fast. Yeah, the wind's a little chilly. Almost 70 here. It will be. Hopefully by the time I return. Forgot to clip my helmet. Yes, I stole that front sprocket. They did go a little small on that rear sprocket, so it was geared. I mean, I'm in 6 now. It's geared pretty high, but this is a Cruiser, so it should be. So yeah, this is the same engine that's in the cross country. Quite a bit of power. I probably should have wore a light jacket. I'll be fine. So I may be getting one of those TRX 350s from my buddy Rat. Needs a little bit of work, but those old dual solid axle Hondas, they're the best. What do they call them, a 350D or something? They're literal tanks, and that would be something I would fix up and keep. It's not in terrible shape. We will see. Probably won't be able to get over there until almost summertime. But I did want to pick up a quad for my property because there's so many trees down. And yeah, I could take the mini truck back there, but getting around the trees, and I haven't been to the back of my property, and a horse and an ass. That's a horse's ass. I haven't been to the back of my property on the hill, and it's probably going to be 3 years this year. So that'll be a fun little project. We'll stop and get some fuel. Yeah, I like this bike. This is like the perfect run around town bike. I just ordered oil. It's up to $4.15 a gallon up north. What the heck? What the heck? Uh-oh, what's going on here? Oh no. He must have fell down. Damn. Hopefully he didn't get assaulted. Feel right to the tippy top. Where are you going? What the hell kind of crap was that? You pull out and you go in the other lane? Screw you, Abbott. Hey, still reading empty. Everybody's going to see the manatees. I gotta fly my drone over there one time. It's actually federal land, so you can't fly over it, but I can go around it. Can't leave this out here. I know some of you guys are using these hard cases. I just don't like hard cases. I like the soft cases because they collapse when you're not using them. I just got the metric one. I should have this too. No, but if I keep going, I'm gonna keep buying stuff. And I only have I got the motorcycle, so I can only carry so much.
Yeah, you're right.
How you doing?
I'm sure if we put it in a sturdy enough bag, I think you could get it all.
Maybe. I already have one of these on the back of that, so this is for another bike, so.
Oh, that's cool.
Did I get the wrong one? Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I gotta go back in there. That's the one I need. I got the wrong size. I wanted that one.
You got this one? Or?
I bought this one, but I need that one. Well, was that much difference, huh?
Yeah, I'll just leave your signature.
I don't need it, actually. Thanks. You too. Stupid cheesy. Holy mackerel. All these people are here to see the manatees. My fuel gauge is back, so it looks like 4,000 RPM is about 48, 49 miles an hour now in 6th gear. And nets work nice. Good ride, cruiser, good ride.
But wait! There's more! The next day.
Well, we're gonna drive over and see if I can find that battery door. Geez, if I didn't have the 360 camera, I'd have no clue where I think it would be. I thought it was in a parking lot. I flipped my visor. Somewhere between here. I'm gonna have to walk it, I think. Definitely. Wow, a lot of people still looking for manatees. It was right after this drain, somewhere in between this drain and that drain. Oh, there it is. I can't believe it. Holy mackerel. Wow. 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 Oh, if it wasn't for the 360 camera, and I mean, this is only like, I guess, I don't know, $30, $40, but there's no way I would have found that without that 360 camera. It was right there.
Remarkable.
Might be fine. That end got flattened. A little bit more. I get that tab straight. This is pretty good plastic, huh? Holy cow. Wow. I got it. Another miracle. Got a little tiny crack.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.